I first got introduced to Varsity Tutors when I was looking for a tutor for our older son. Every year, if we needed a tutor, I would always call Varsity Tutors. And same with Lizzy. She needed some help with chemistry, so got a great chemistry tutor.
I had an amazing experience. I loved my tutor. She was so funny. She made me really love chemistry.
They really had a neat interaction and a relationship.
I really wasn't comfortable with the ACT test. The school provided a practice ACT and I got a 27 on that. So I wasn't very happy with that score. I thought I could do better. I asked Mom, could I get a tutor for the ACT, an individual one? And she said, of course. So she called up Varsity Tutors, and Joe really helped me learn everything, like the ACT inside and out. He just took all my questions and he would teach me all of these skills, and he would present a variety of different tactics for each section, and then we'd find one that was best for me personally.
He built her confidence so much in that, oh wow, you've got this, and you just need to tweak this.
Going into the test, I felt confident. I felt like I knew exactly what I had to do to get the score that I wanted.
I got the mail and Lizzy was watching TV, and this is it.
There's a little box and it said 36, and I was like, okay, I know it's out of 36, but where's my score? And I scanned the page, and I just go, oh my God, I got a 36.
I can't think of a time when I've been more just amazed, and I'm so proud of her.
There's really no words to express how thankful I am for it. They helped me just become someone I never thought I could. I would tell any student that Varsity Tutors could meet any needs that they have.